Here's some of the stories trending this week at NASA. Dr. Dava Newman, whose first day on the job as NASA's new deputy administrator was May 18th, was introduced during a town hall meeting at headquarters the following day. Newman previously was the Apollo Program Professor of Astronautics at Massachusetts Institute of Technology in Cambridge and brings with her valuable experience in engineering, science, and space policy. Much of her research at MIT focused on critical aspects of human space exploration, and she's well known in the space community for development of a new lighter-weight spacesuit design that gives astronauts more mobility. The SpaceX Dragon cargo spacecraft left the International Space Station May 21st to make a splashdown in the Pacific Ocean with more than 3,000 pounds of cargo and important science samples for researchers on the ground. Dragon spent almost 5 weeks at the orbital laboratory after arriving there on April 17th with more than 2 tons of supplies for the station crew. With its 3-month commissioning or break-in period complete, the spacecraft for NASA's Soil Moisture Active Passive mission has begun science operations. SMAP was launched January 31st to help us better understand the relationship between Earth's water, energy, and carbon cycles, reduce uncertainties in predicting climate, help improve weather forecasts, and enhance our ability to monitor and predict natural hazards like floods and droughts. NASA has issued a request for information seeking ideas from American companies for a spacecraft design that could be used for both the agency's asteroid redirect mission and a robotic satellite servicing mission in low Earth orbit. In the early 2020s, NASA plans to launch the asteroid redirect mission, which will use a robotic spacecraft to capture a large boulder from the surface of a near-Earth asteroid and move it into a stable orbit around the Moon for exploration by astronauts, all in support of advancing the nation's journey to Mars. NASA also has been studying the Restore-L mission concept, during which a spacecraft would use dexterous robotic systems to grapple and refuel a government satellite in low Earth orbit. Teams of college students and the robots they built took part in this year's NASA robotic mining competition at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex to see which machine could collect the most regolith from a simulated Martian landscape. The competition is designed to engage and retain students in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM fields, and foster innovative ideas and solutions that could potentially be applied to future NASA missions. NASA and the National Additive Manufacturing Innovation Institute, known as America Makes, have announced a new $2.25 million competition to design and build a 3D printed habitat for possible use on deep space exploration missions, including the agency's journey to Mars. This competition is part of NASA's Centennial Challenges and is designed to advance the additive construction technology needed to create sustainable housing solutions for Earth and beyond. And that's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on social media and visit www.nasa.gov/twan.